Hello guys, I'm back for another video. So for today, I'm going to show you paano ba mag-apply sa weblio or weblio. Weblio. Weblio is a company that caters, I think, mostly Japanese students. Okay? So, andito ako sa kanilang page or link, which is just type weblio or weblioph.com. Tapos, how to apply. Okay? So, first, application map. Meron application map. So, for step 1, fill out the application form. Make sure that all information are correct, like your name, your this. Don't worry, guys. Weblio is also considering new teachers or mga beginners, no experienced teachers, and mga undergraduates, as long as you're 18 years of age. Okay? So, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda ng kanilang platform and hindi lang mga experienced teachers ang kanilang kinikater. So, kanilang ina-accept, I mean. So, pag nakapas kayo na-pass nyo yung application form, I think they will send a message to you and you can go to the next step, which is the grammar exam, the number 2. The grammar exam, you should pass the 40-item grammar test to continue. Okay, to continue. If failed, wait guys, okay. If failed, applicants need to take the test again. So actually, na-try ko to siya guys. And sa first take ko, 40 item exam, at least I think 32 passed score. I mean, passing score is 32, I think. Yung first exam ko, 31 lang ako. Or 30. And then I retake it, guys. So, 33. Grabe, no? Proud pa. So, I think it's 32 ang passing score nila. So, basta I think ganon. So, next is PC specifications and internet requirements will be checked during the test call and interview. Test call and interview will be done through Skype, guys. So they are going to send, after the grammar exam, you are going to send a schedule. When would you like to have the test call and interview? So for scheduling na kayo for test call and interview. Sa test call and interview, titingnan nila ang inyong sa settings, parang titingnan nila yung specs ba ng inyong capacity ng inyong laptop or computer. Tapos magsasend din ata kayo ng mga screenshots or yung how can I say, yung screennet.com. I forgot yung for your screen test. Oh, no, not screen test, guys. Sorry. Para sa speed test, sorry. Yeah, speed test. So, speedtest.com. So, isasend nyo yung speed test nyo, yung link lang, guys. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-screenshot yun. Yung link, ikakopy nyo lang yung link ng speed test nyo. Isasend nyo sa kanila. And tapos, mag-aantay lang kayo, guys, sa kanila. Tapos, ayun, they will give you an interview that moment kasi maraming applicants, so you just have to wait patiently. So I think their interview, as you should be ready, guys, for the interview. You should have a white background. You look decent naman. Mag-ayos kayo. If ayusin nyo yung hair nyo, mag-makeup kayo, hindi naman yung sobra, a light makeup. For example, ako nag-lipstick lang ako ng konti, para may kulay lang. Hindi naman katulad ng ganito, nakapambahay lang ako, naka-shirt lang. Tapos, I just wear a coat that day. So, they will just ask you some situational in the interview. And it's very, very easy and it's very, very fast, guys. Okay? So, next will be the training. Past applicants will undergo a 3-part new tutors workshop. This is to ensure that they are ready to teach the weblio way or weblio way. So, actually, hanggang sa interview lang ako. Hindi na po ako nag-training. So, here in the training part, you will be having, you will undergo training. Kailangan yung magbibigay sila ng schedule and you just click the time when, kung kailan kayo free. Okay, throughout the week, any day. Okay, kung hapon, morning, or night. So, there are three parts. So, for one part is 1 hour. So, yun, you can choose at the time na meron silang available. And you can type your name and your email address. And for confirmation, they will send you, I think they will reply for your email address. I just want to let you know also that my sister, she is also she is a new teacher in Weblio. She actually encouraged me na mag-apply dito. But I told her kasi na tutok din ako sa kids ko and I am still a tutor in Angu. Okay? So tapos, anyway guys, nag-demo na rin. After the training, sabi niya sandali lang naman daw and very easy. And then mag-demo na siya with a student. Okay, so trainees will plot their schedule via Calendly. Okay, online demo will be done to test their gained knowledge during workshop. Oh, diba? Actually, my sis, as what I've said, my sister has already undergone this method, and I think she is, she is she is a beginner, a newbie teacher. It's her first time. So, kakaano niya lang, I mean, nakapas naman siya. So, it means baka medyo madali din to kung pag-aaralan natin, okay? And then the last part will be the tutor released. Actually, in this part of the demo, my sister twice niya ginawa. I think yung first time is hindi siya masyadong nakapaghanda. And the next schedule, binigyan niya naman siya ng another chance. So, nakapas na siya on the next demo. So, ayun. Tapos, medyo, sabi niya sa akin, medyo natagalan ng pag-release, yung tutor release, paggawa ng kanyang page, teacher's page, something ganon. So, past trainees will submit needed requirements and their tutor service contract. Once completed, they can start teaching. Okay. So, yun, guys. Yun. So, yun. 6 parts lang siya. 'Di ba? Parang, what is good here is, hindi nila pinapahirapan yung mga tutors. I'm not sure for the initial pay, how much will be the salary. Siguro depende din sa demo ninyo, sa training ninyo. So I'm not really sure for the salary or the tutor rate here. Tutor rate. Okay. Rules. Okay, rules. Hindi ko din kasi kabisado for the tutor rate or ano ba to? Simulator. Mahina ata ang aking internet. So, rate per lesson, how much do I earn? Oh, wow! Okay, you are the epitome of a professional weblio tutor. Oh, so first is all tutor start from the rank F here. So, 50 ka per lesson, 100 pesos per hour. Okay. Tapos, akyat ang rank mo. Ayan. 60, 65, 70. Conduct more lessons while meeting all criteria such as zero troubles to move up. So, ayun. So, mag-i-increase ang inyong rank, guys, until it will reach 200. So, it is a good, Weblio's mission to expand mankind's possibility. Our tutor's role is important. Our tutor's rates start from 100 per hour as much as 200 per hour. Okay. So, yun guys. 'Di ba? So, for those who ask how much is it. Makikita nyo naman sa page. Kung may mga questions kayo, andito lang siya. So, just go to their page. Anyway, I think that would be all. Thank you so much for those of you who are watching. So, and I hope